Welcome back to our channel, where we explore ways to improve our lives. In today's video, we'll be diving into a topic that many of us struggle with: how to sleep early and wake up refreshed. We all know the importance of a good night's sleep, so let's uncover some effective strategies to help you master the art of falling asleep early. Segment 1. Understanding the importance of sleep. Before we delve into the techniques, let's quickly discuss why it's crucial to prioritize our sleep. We'll explore the benefits of sufficient sleep and how it affects our overall health, productivity, and well-being. Segment 2. Creating a sleep-friendly environment. A conducive sleep environment plays a significant role in achieving an early bedtime. We'll provide tips on optimizing your bedroom, including lighting, noise levels, room temperature, and comfortable bedding, to create the perfect sleep haven. Segment 3. Establishing a consistent sleep routine. Developing a regular sleep routine is key to training your body to fall asleep early. We'll guide you through steps to establish a pre-sleep routine, including winding down activities, relaxation techniques, and the importance of avoiding electronic devices before bed. Segment 4. Managing external factors. External factors can often disrupt our sleep patterns. We'll discuss strategies to overcome common challenges such as stress, noise disturbances, and caffeine intake. We'll also explore the benefits of incorporating physical exercise into your daily routine for better sleep quality. Segment 5. The role of nutrition in sleep. Did you know that certain foods and drinks can affect your sleep? We'll discuss the impact of caffeine, alcohol, and heavy meals on sleep quality. Additionally, we'll provide suggestions for sleep-friendly foods and beverages that can promote better sleep. Segment 6. Harnessing the power of relaxation techniques. We'll introduce various relaxation techniques that can help calm the mind and prepare the body for sleep. This segment will cover deep breathing exercises, progressive muscle relaxation, guided meditation, and other proven methods to promote a peaceful sleep. Segment 7. Troubleshooting sleep issues. If you still find it challenging to fall asleep early despite implementing these strategies, don't worry. We'll address common sleep issues, such as insomnia and restless nights, and provide tips for overcoming them. We'll also recommend when to seek professional help for persistent sleep problems. And that concludes our comprehensive guide on how to sleep early and achieve a well-rested night. Remember, getting enough sleep is crucial for our physical and mental well-being. By following these tips and adopting healthy sleep habits, you'll be on your way to becoming a master of falling asleep early and waking up rejuvenated. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Until next time, sleep well and take care.